Go. Go.
Like a classroom almost, or it kind of. Oh. Wait. Wasn't that the shiny sound? Whoa! See, this is what I mean, guys. The special feeling of running into one out of nowhere. Wow! Da, 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 da. I feel like I'm... Huh? Doko? Huh? Where? Is it gone? Save? I feel like it might have flew away. No? Is it in here? Is it on the roof? Shinies don't despawn, but they can fly away, right? I feel like it might have flown away because none of them were shiny. I think I would see the shiny effect on them if they were shiny in here. Maybe it's on the roof. I did not think I would run into a shiny during my playthrough, but twice in one stream. I don't see any sparkly. Was I just imagining? Maybe I should have saved as soon as I heard it before it flew away. Is it in the tunnel below? I don't think I can get there, can I? I mean, it's not a big deal, but that doesn't ever despawn if it is a shiny. I mean, I could try reloading. I mean, I'll try it, but I doubt. Oh! It's here! But where? What are you? It's real, but who are you? It's too far to be in the wild zone, no? I did check the garden on the mansion's roof. Possible. I just can't get there yet, that's the thing. I don't have the collide. It'll still be there as long as I don't, like, spawn, like, 10 other shinies on the map for some odd reason. I can with the roll. Okay, I'll try. Because it seems like it's most likely up there. Kininaru. Hello, I am here for shiny inspection. Please report if you are shiny. No shiny sparkle. It wasn't you guys. It's most likely something on here. It can't be you, right? Over there. Because you're the only other Pokemon I see. And that one's not... You're not sparkly. You're not sparkly. Who are you? Why are you shiny? I won't be able to sleep until I see you. Okay, I'll try reload again. I won't be able to sleep. As soon as I walked this way, I heard this shiny sound. Is it in the wild area? Are you a shiny? Is there a wild Pokemon here that I didn't see? I'm so confused. Where are you? I'm so confused. Right here, you don't hear it, right? Like here, you don't hear it. Which means it's this way. I hear it when I go about here. But there's no Pokemon other than the ones on the roof we checked already. A bird that takes off. But there's no other birds here now that I think about it. Nothing flew off when I loaded in. It has a long range. Okay, so we can check the wild zone again. Oh, it's still there! It's still here! It's not a bird! Well, at least not the one that flew off when I go here. So it might be in the wild zone then. Imagine if we find the golden Magikarp. Imagine. Akai na. Nothing seems shiny here. Ah, okashi na. Does the sound even play when I approach it from this side? I wonder. It only sounds when you're near like 5 meters. Which means it's probably up on this roof. And the only other Pokemon I saw up there was the Cleffa, was it? Okay, I'll double check the roof. Because it's none of these. These two weren't it. Okay, it is kind of confirmed that it's on that side. That's the only Pokemon loaded in. Yeah, I'll try zooming in from far. Like, it should have spawned for me to see it, right? On here? Yeah, I guess only way is to see. And there was nothing else there. See, this is not shiny either. Huh? Dareda? Is it a flabby? But there were... The ones I checked weren't shiny. Am I missing something? None of these are shiny. I checked everything here. I hugged the left. I don't hear it. Right? Right? But if I hug here... It's here! It's here somewhere! Doko? Can you go inside? There's no way they would load a Pokemon on the inside of a building while you're outside. There's no way. Is there a basement around here? Like, is there like a sewers or something? I don't think I can go down there. Is it bugged? What's happening? I wish it wasn't, but it is possible. It like rings while I'm kind of here. It has to be within this area. Like, oh, 気になる. Oh, hello, Didenne. I didn't know you spawned here. Like, there was nothing... That was not shiny. I remember that. No, the Talonflame was not shiny. Pidgey was not it. What do you think? What do you think, Didenne? What do you think is the shiny that's bothering me? But there's no other Pokemon here other than this... Cleffa and this Pidgey. Reload and go up without triggering the sound. Okay. Because if it's on the roof, it'll trigger when I'm on the roof. Okay, I did not trigger the sound. I triggered the sound. It's moving! Now it's over here! Kimi wa dare da? Doko? Kimi no na wa? I'm so curious, I can't... Glitch or not, like I'm just so curious. Are we all going crazy? Crazy, how was crazy once? A shiny kick. Stop taunting me! Just because I said I'm not gonna shiny hunt on purpose. It's like, hehe, are you sure you don't want a shiny hunt? Hehe. Yeah, man. Okay, if I teleport somewhere else and then it does it again, it has to be there. I just wanted to do the side quest, man. Surely it's not a real shiny. It's just a glitch. It's just a glitch in the system. It must have been a false alarm. Nandayo! I can't have my curiosity unsated to continue on this playthrough. There's nothing on the lamppost. The roof didn't really have any good candidates. None of you guys. You haunt me. If it's a night Pokemon, it shouldn't have triggered the thing because it has to be loaded for it to be shiny. Okay, approach from a different path. Where else can I approach from? I went from this way, I went from that way, maybe from the left? Oh, it's nighttime. Oh. No! It's saved right here. Okay, it's fine. It's okay. If it's still there, it means it's still there. If it's not, then it's not. And then we can continue on with the game. I don't know. At this point, it might be just inside the walls or something. I wouldn't be surprised. The sound hasn't triggered. So probably not on the roof. No Pokemon in sight. And you are definitely not shiny. Is it gone? Can I finally continue with the game? You know, maybe reloading it to morning will help. It bothers me. Oh. Okay, if I don't hear the jingle, we continue with the side quest. I'll start from this side. Okay, so far so good. We must have just been imagining it, guys. There's no way. Am I free? Am I free? Were we all just going crazy? We're free! But at what cost? I have a theory, maybe. Maybe it was a bird shiny and I saved right before it despawned. But like its model was already gone. feel like it must have been the Pidgey. And I saved it like right as the model disappeared. Like I feel like that had to be it. But then like it would have been gone whenever I like walked back. It shouldn't have triggered the sound. Maybe it glitched out because of that. We'll never know. It's okay, it means I can finally play the game. I'm sure if it exists, it's gonna come back whenever I come back to this place. We'll figure it out. Phew. Phew.